being artistic director of the company, it's challenging, it's wonderful. I'm learning new things on a daily basis, but I'm loving it. I'm feeling really fortunate to work with this company of dancers. So Phoenix Dance Theatre will be performing my work Bloom. I think audiences can expect to be pretty tantalised by it. There's a lot of variety in the piece, variety of sort of colours and emotions and scenarios. It's very physical, also very theatrical, because I love to create characters, I love to create little universes on stage and then sort of see how these characters can interact with within that world and what relationships can develop. So yeah, I think hopefully people will enjoy it and be able to find something to really connect to for themselves. And I'm really excited for National Dance Company Wales to be showing Tuplet. It's such a great work, and the dancers, they're so strong within this work, and each one shines really individually in it. It's dynamic, it's witty, it's funny, it's they look wonderful, and I feel really proud when I watch them in Tuplet. Hopefully it'll enable many people to realise actually how accessible contemporary dance can be. I think a lot of people, have a sort of stigma attached to contemporary dance, that it's not for me, I won't enjoy it, I won't get it. And hopefully this will really allow many, many more people in Cardiff to connect to contemporary dance, to have the opportunity to see it. I think it's also going to make people realise how many wonderful performance venues there are here and how much work is being created and developed and supported here. I hope it's going to make people put Cardiff sort of on their artistic maps.